Crafting Scalable Mobile Apps with Flutter and AWS Amplify. A step-by-step integration guide. This podcast is brought to you by Business Compass LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone number is 973-638-2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. In the world of mobile app development, scalability and performance are paramount. Flutter, Google's UI toolkit for crafting natively compiled mobile, web, and desktop applications from a single codebase, has gained massive popularity. When combined with AWS Amplify, a set of tools and services for building scalable full-stack applications, developers can easily create powerful mobile apps. This podcast will walk you through the integration of Flutter with AWS Amplify to build scalable mobile apps. Why combine Flutter and AWS Amplify for mobile app development? Combining Flutter and AWS Amplify offers several advantages. Cross-platform development. Flutter allows developers to write once and deploy across iOS and Android. Robust backend services. AWS Amplify provides scalable backend services such as authentication, storage, and APIs. Ease of integration. Amplify CLI and libraries are designed to integrate with Flutter, simplifying backend development seamlessly. Scalability. AWS infrastructure ensures your app can scale effortlessly as your user base grows. Essential tools and setup for Flutter and AWS Amplify integration. Prerequisites. Flutter SDK. Install the Flutter SDK from the official Flutter website. AWS account. Sign up for an AWS account if you don't have one. 3. Amplify CLI. Install the AWS Amplify CLI using npm. npm install g at AWS Amplify/cli. 4. Code editor. Use a code editor like Visual Studio Code or Android Studio. Creating your Flutter project and initializing AWS Amplify. Step 1. Create a new Flutter project. Open your terminal and run. Flutter create my_Flutter_ app. cd my_Flutter_ app. Step 2. Initialize AWS Amplify. Configure Amplify in your Flutter project. Amplify init. Follow the prompts to set up your project, adding and configuring AWS Amplify libraries in your Flutter app. Add the necessary Amplify packages to your pubspec.yaml file. Dependencies. Amplify_Flutter, latest_version. Amplify_auth_cognito, latest_version. Amplify_storage_s3, latest_version. Run Flutter pub get to install the packages. Setting up backend services with AWS Amplify CLI. Step 1. Add authentication. Amplify add auth. Follow the prompts to set up authentication. Step 2. Add storage. Amplify add storage. Configure your storage requirements as prompted. Step 3. Push the configuration. Amplify push. This deploys the backend resources to your AWS account, integrating AWS Amplify services into your Flutter codebase. Initialize Amplify in your Flutter app. Import package amplify_flutter/amplify.dart. Import package amplify_auth_cognito/amplify_auth_cognito.dart. Import package amplify_storage_s3/amplify_storage_s3.dart. Import amplify configuration.dart / your generated configuration file. Void main async. Widgets Flutter binding.ensure initialized. Try. Amplify.add plugin amplify auth cognito. Amplify.add plugin amplify storages 3. Await amplify.configure amplify config. Catch, E. Print error configuring amplify, $E. Run app my app. Testing, debugging, and optimizing your Flutter app. Testing. Use Flutter's built-in testing tools to write unit, integration, and widget tests. Debugging. Leverage Flutter's debugging tools and AWS CloudWatch for backend issues. Optimizing. Monitor app performance using Flutter's dev tools and optimize backend performance with AWS CloudWatch and Amplify console insights. Best practices for code structure, error handling, and performance. Code structure. Maintain a clean and modular codebase by separating business logic from UI components. Error handling. Implement robust error handling using Dart's try-catch blocks and AWS Amplify's error handling mechanisms. Performance. Optimize app performance by lazy loading resources, minimizing network calls, and using efficient data structures. Thank you for listening to our podcast. Please share this podcast, visit our website, and follow our social media links.